Here's a free tip on how to resize every single one of your images for absolutely free. So welcome to the Mad About Media YouTube channel. I am Ronan and today I'm going to show you how to quickly resize any sort of image for free. Stick around to the end of the video to find out every single tool that you can use. So for the first image resizing tool that we have GIMP, so you can use that today. I'm going to show you how to download it quickly and how to resize any of your images. Okay, so now we've got GIMP loaded. Let's say we want to create a new project. So type in new, and then you want to put the pixel dimensions. So let's say we want to change a picture from 900 by 600 to 1200 by 628. Just really random resolution, but this is a good resolution for Facebook shops and stuff like that. Because we've had a lot of clients wanting to know how to resize their own images. So I thought I'd make this video today showing you three ways to do it. This is an application. GIMP is the only application that you need to download. There are two other websites that you can use as well. I would suggest GIMP. I would suggest using GIMP if it's a completely free software and all you want to do is resize images. Simply because there is, if you look over there, there's tons of different tools you can use on GIMP and it costs you nothing. So this is a really good thing if you're starting out with your websites, starting out with any sort of social media and you really want to do it. Right, let's get into it then. So let's grab an image. So yeah, basically, I don't know if this will work exactly on Windows or anything, but if you're on Mac, basically go to your find a window, or if it's not working, by dragging it in. So yeah, let's do it for if you're on Windows. If you're on Windows or if you're on Linux or anything, this is the way to do it. So click copy on anything that you want to do. So if you're on Mac, click edit and copy, and then simply just paste it in. So you want to go to Tools, Transform Tools, and then you want to go all the way to Scale. And once you've got this, you've got the option to click it in the corner, and you want to drag it down. So I'll drag it down, and move it up. You want to click it in the center, just to move it around. And you want to fit it to the exact dimensions of the screen, so let's drag it out this way. There you go, there you go, there you go. Right, now that's done. So what you want to do is instead is click File, Export As. It comes up as PNG here, and just type in New Image. There you go. So that's how you resize it quickly on GIMP. Now the second image resizing tool. So number 2 is befunky.com. Right. We found a lot. No, we will start a new project. Right, let's start this new project, and we want to click computer. We want to click open, then we want to click computer. Right, so now we've done that. We want to choose what we had before. What is it? Yeah, screenshot. Got it. Right. Now it's give us the width, height, and everything. We want to change it to 1200 by 620. And then click, and then just click resize. Oh, I don't know why it's gone to that. 1200 by, and that's done. It's as simple as that for this befunky.com. And once you've done it, you literally click save, and you click save computer. And you want to save it as PNG. Save it as whatever you want to call it, new image. 70, but you can go back in and change that, right? And it's done. So that's befunky.com. Probably one of the most simplest ones ever. If you don't really want to download anything that has tools, if you don't really want to download any application or anything, use befunky.com. There's quite a few great effects on there and little different frames you can use to edit got a load of things inside it, and it's a completely free tool. Like, again, there's an option to upgrade over here. You don't have to do that to resize your images though, and it's just completely simple to use. Have a little play around with it, you can add text to it, literally just tons of different graphics and shapes and stuff, and it's probably one of the best website tools out there. Works extremely quick and is probably as good as GIMP in my opinion. Yeah, so that's bfunky.com. Now the third and final one is Simple Image Resizer. It is one of the most simple ones, as you can tell by the title, so watch to the end of this video to find out how to use it properly. On to the next one. We go off bfunky.com. Now on to the next one, Simple Image Resizer. It says not secure for some reason, which might be a bit dodgy. They might have just not updated their SSL certificate though, so give them the benefit of the doubt. For all the people with OCD, my computer is not tidy. So if you've got OCD, be careful. Right, so you've got a percentage here, so you don't really understand dimensions. You just want to shrink your image down, then you can do that. You can just shrink it down by doing this, or that. But it's up to you really. I want to go with dimensions. So I want to change it to 1200 by 620. Done. Click resize. Uploading image, and I'll get it all done for you. Next one, and literally it'll come up with this little green box here. Image screenshot resized. You click download, and it gives you the option here in a different window. Now many of you are thinking, what? It's not downloaded or anything, mate. I don't even know what to do. Well, just don't complete. Just don't stress yourself out yet. Just click save image as, and there you go. It's as simple as that. Oh, I just didn't say the name, but yeah, that's completely it. Now those are 3 quick and easy ways for you to be able to resize all of your images. Now you can use paid softwares, which is personally what I use because I just believe it's quick and easy, which is Affinity Photo and Photoshop. Now them two have all the tools in a book. You can properly drag and stretch the image out so it doesn't blur or anything like that, and they're just amazing. They're really just simply amazing. However, you have to pay for them. So Photoshop, I believe, is £20 a month for CC or something like that. Yeah, for the Creative Cloud, I believe it's £20 a month. Don't quote me though, I can't remember because we don't use it anymore. Affinity Photo though, it's a one-time payment of 40 or 50 quid or something like that, and then you have it forever. If you can edit all sorts of images on it, you can save it in any sort of format. There's tutorials on how to use it, and we'll be going through tutorials ourselves on how to use Affinity Photo, so make sure you keep subscribed to the channel as we'll be going through all of them. Right, that's everything. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video if it's left you any sort of help, and comment down below with what tutorials you'd like to learn